First, a pre-operative impression or diagnostic wax-up is taken. A silicone putty index is then fabricated. The putty index is tried intraorally to verify proper fit. This index will guide accurate lingual composite placement. On the putty index, pre-carving is performed to establish proper contour and anatomy. Contouring and finishing are refined on the putty index to help achieve ideal emergence profile and symmetry of both central incisors. Next, the enamel surface is etched using 37% phosphoric acid for 15 to 20 seconds. The tooth is then rinsed thoroughly and air-dried until a chalky white appearance is observed. A bonding agent is applied uniformly over the etched surface. It is gently air-thinned and then light-cured for 10 to 20 seconds to ensure proper adhesion. The putty index is then placed on the lingual surface. A thin layer of composite is applied against the putty index and light-cured. This creates a stable lingual wall, also known as the lingual shelf. The putty index is then removed. This step ensures correct anatomy and prevents over-contouring. Since the lingual enamel layer is already created, the dentin layer is applied next. A dentin shade composite is placed to build proper tooth volume and opacity, and then light cured. Finally, the enamel layer is applied. An enamel shade composite is placed to completely close the diastema. Mylar strip is used to create tight proximal contact and proper contour. The composite is shaped to achieve natural translucency and then light cured. Contouring and finishing are performed using finishing burrs to refine line angles and emergence profile, ensuring symmetry of both. Polishing is carried out using polishing discs in sequence from coarse to superfine to achieve a smooth surface and natural gloss. Finally, occlusion is checked in both centric and protrusive movements. Any premature contacts are adjusted to ensure patient comfort and restoration longevity.